Welcome to our quick showdown between Plasticity and SolidWorks. Today we'll break down what each CAD software offers and compare them to help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have Plasticity. It's a lightweight, artistic-friendly 3D modeling software built for concept artists and designers. Using the Parasolid kernel, it focuses on NURBS modeling with a streamlined interface inspired by Blender. Plasticity excels in quick, creative workflows, making it ideal for sketching loose designs fast. It's destructive, meaning edits can be tricky, but it's affordable at $149 for an indie license and runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, SolidWorks. This industry-standard CAD software, also using Parasolid, is a powerhouse for engineers and product designers. It's parametric, allowing non-destructive edits, and shines in 3D modeling, assembly simulations, and manufacturing prep. With robust tools for FEA, CAM, PDM, it's perfect for complex, precise projects. It's Windows only, with licenses starting at around $4,000. So, how do they stack up? Plasticity is faster for conceptual modeling with an intuitive UI that's great for artists and hobbyists. It's budget-friendly but lacks advanced simulation and assembly tools, and its destructive workflow limits edits. SolidWorks, on the other hand, is built for precision engineering. Its parametric modeling, extensive tools, and its industry adoption make it ideal for professional manufacturing, but it's expensive and has a steeper learning curve. Choose Plasticity for quick, creative 3D concepts on a budget, especially for art or small-scale design. Go with SolidWorks for engineering, simulations, or large assemblies where precision is key. Check out our comparison chart for a quick recap, and that's it. Which one's right for you? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.